Have you ever wondered what truly makes a woman irresistible to men? Is it all about looks, or does personality play an even bigger role? In this video, I'll take you through 14 steps that reveal how to be super attractive to men from both a beauty and personality perspective. We're talking about tips that go beyond skin deep and truly transform how men see you. So if you want to boost your allure and confidence, keep watching, because you're about to discover the secrets to capturing attention inside and out. Step 1. Confidence, the most attractive feature. Confidence isn't just about knowing you're beautiful, it's about owning who you are inside and out. When you exude confidence, you project an undeniable charm that men are naturally drawn to. It changes how you carry yourself and how others perceive you, making you appear more competent and approachable. Plus, confident women tend to be more engaging in conversations, which helps build connections effortlessly. Not only does confidence amplify your outer appearance, but it creates an emotional atmosphere that people want to be around. Confidence encourages others to open up to you, creating a positive feedback loop in social settings. When you embrace who you are and feel secure in yourself, you radiate an attractiveness that goes far beyond physical beauty. Step 2. Mastering first impressions. Leave a lasting mark. First impressions happen in seconds, and they matter. Body language, facial expressions, and even your style play a massive role in how you're perceived. A welcoming smile, open posture, and well-thought-out outfits make a difference. Men often associate these positive cues with trustworthiness and confidence. And don't forget about the halo effect. When you look polished, people naturally assume you have other positive traits like kindness and intelligence. So, mastering first impressions isn't just about looking good, it's about setting the tone for future interactions. Leave a mark that makes them want to know more. Step 3. The magic of self-care, beauty from the inside out. Self-care isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Whether it's through skincare, fitness, or mental health practices, taking care of yourself enhances both your inner and outer beauty. A woman who prioritizes her well-being projects health, happiness, and confidence, all qualities that men find incredibly attractive. Beyond the physical benefits, self-care helps you build resilience against societal pressures and unrealistic beauty standards. When you feel great about who you are, it naturally shows, and that authenticity is magnetic. Self-care is more than just pampering, it's a key to your inner and outer glow. Step 4. Dress to impress. Style speaks volumes. What you wear can speak louder than words, and your sense of style plays a major role in how you're perceived. Clothes that make you feel confident and comfortable allow you to express your personality. The right outfit not only helps you look your best, but also demonstrates attention to detail and self-respect. It's also about dressing for the occasion, a casual day out, or a fancy event. Each situation calls for a different approach. Whether you're rocking a simple look or something bold, wearing what makes you feel good makes you stand out. Remember, confidence in your style boosts your overall appeal. Step 5. The art of conversation. Charm him with your words. It's not just about what you say, but how you say it. Captivating conversation requires active listening and thoughtful responses. By genuinely showing interest in his thoughts and experiences, you can create meaningful dialogue that sparks connection. Don't be afraid to share your own stories and experiences too. Personal anecdotes can create a sense of vulnerability and openness that deepens emotional bonds. Master the art of engaging conversations, and you'll leave a lasting impression that goes beyond physical attraction. Step 6. Kindness is key. A warm heart is irresistible. A kind heart is often the most attractive feature someone can have. Compassion and empathy foster a sense of emotional safety that men are drawn to. When you show genuine care for others, it creates a warm, inviting atmosphere that builds deep connections. Moreover, kindness encourages positive interactions and creates a ripple effect in relationships. By showing small acts of generosity or simply being a good listener, you'll make anyone around you feel valued and respected. A woman with a warm heart leaves an unforgettable impression. Step 7. Body language. Attract without saying a word. How you carry yourself often says more than words. Eye contact, a friendly smile, and open posture can significantly enhance your appeal. Positive body language signals confidence, approachability, and interest, making it easier for men to feel drawn to you. Subtle cues like leaning in while talking or mirroring his gestures can also build rapport and create a sense of closeness. Mastering nonverbal communication allows you to convey attraction and confidence without ever having to say a word. Step 8. Emotional intelligence. Build deeper connections. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is a game changer in relationships. Being able to understand your emotions and empathize with others helps you navigate conversations and conflicts with grace. Men appreciate women who are emotionally intelligent because it fosters better communication and mutual understanding. EQ is also about staying calm under pressure and knowing when to listen instead of reacting impulsively. These skills not only help in avoiding unnecessary conflict, but also strengthen your emotional bond. High emotional intelligence leads to healthier, more fulfilling relationships. Step 9. Humor and playfulness. A great sense of humor is a magnet. Laughter really is the best medicine, and it's a powerful tool for attraction. A good sense of humor shows that you're not taking life too seriously and that you're comfortable in your own skin. Men love women who can laugh with them and bring lightness to situations. Playful banter and a shared sense of humor build instant rapport and make interactions feel more enjoyable. A woman who can make a man laugh is not only attractive, but also memorable. Humor breaks down walls and makes room for genuine connection. Step 10. Radiate positivity. Positivity is contagious. When you have a positive outlook on life, people can't help but be drawn to your energy. Men are attracted to women who bring light and joy into the room, as these traits often indicate emotional stability and resilience. A positive attitude not only enhances your self-image, but also influences how others perceive you. When you radiate optimism, it makes interactions feel lighter and more enjoyable. Men gravitate toward women who uplift those around them. Step 11. Balancing independence and vulnerability. Show strength and openness. Independence is incredibly attractive, but so is vulnerability. Men are drawn to women who are strong and self-sufficient, but also open to sharing their true selves. It's about showing that you can take care of yourself, yet you're also willing to let someone in. This balance of independence and vulnerability creates emotional depth. It fosters mutual respect and allows for stronger emotional bonds. When you master this duality, you attract partners who appreciate both your strength and your openness. Step 12. Nurturing your passions. Let your interests shine. Having hobbies and passions makes you more interesting and well-rounded. Men are naturally drawn to women who have their own lives, interests, and goals because it shows independence and a zest for life. Pursuing your passions not only boosts your confidence, but also adds depth to your personality. When you share your interests with others, it creates opportunities for connection and mutual admiration. Having a passion makes you stand out and gives you something unique to bring into a relationship. It's a quality that men find incredibly attractive. Step 13. Healthy lifestyle. Fitness and nutrition boost attraction. A healthy lifestyle is about more than just physical appearance. It influences your energy and overall well-being. Regular exercise and balanced nutrition lead to a toned physique and glowing skin, both of which are undeniably attractive to men. But it's also about feeling good from the inside out. When you take care of your body, it boosts your confidence and helps manage stress. This inner and outer glow not only enhances your beauty, but also makes you feel more vibrant and approachable. Step 14. Authenticity. The real you is the most attractive. At the end of the day, nothing is more attractive than being yourself. Men appreciate women who are genuine and unapologetically themselves. Authenticity fosters trust and deeper connections because it signals honesty and confidence. When you embrace your true self, quirks, flaws, and all, you invite men who appreciate you for who you really are. Authenticity attracts the right kind of partner, someone who resonates with your true essence. So, never be afraid to show the real you. That's where your true beauty lies.